Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria Lynn, and today we're going to be swatching all of the new Maybelline lip pythons. So these are really cool. They're metallic lip kits, and they come in 8 shades. These shades are loud, they are different, they're really unique, and I'm just living and dying for these colors. They're so perfect, they're so beautiful, and we're gonna swatch all of them today, but I wanted to show you guys how these look on the inside. They come in this little palette, and when you open it up, you get your lip product on this side and you get the shadow on the other. And the cool thing about these shadows is you can actually use them on your eyes too. So if you want to pop this in the center of the lip and then put it on your eyes, you totally can. Have fun with it, but they're kind of meant for almost like an ombre lip. And that's what I like to do with them. I like to lay down the lip color first and then use the metallic shadow right in the center, and it looks so pretty. You have some lip art on the front of these, which are pretty extreme, but overall, I really like to do this with them, which is just the color right in the center of the lips, and whew, this is beautiful. I have not gone to try this one yet, but I'm excited to swatch all of them today with you guys. The one I have been wearing a lot and I really like is this one, and this is called Untamed. I'm obsessed with this one. This is like a black, but the shadow inside is kind of like a goldish green. They're so cool. I would say these are definitely like fashion colors. They are so beautiful and just kind of wild and fun. And they're definitely not like an everyday type of lip color, but if you're like me and you love color and you love really fun lip looks, even if you have like a neutral eye look like this, you can totally wear something like this with an eye look like I'm wearing. If you do something kind of gold, you can definitely go in with like a bold lip. You can rock it. I believe in you. But first I want to show you guys, before we get into it, how these apply on the lips, and then I'm going to show you all the colors. This is similar to what I did in my last Maybelline lip swatch video. I did the unnudes and you guys love them. They are amazing, so I'm excited to show you guys these lip pythons. I'm trying to decide what color I want to show you guys. Okay, so the first color I'm going to swatch for you guys is Snakebite, and this one is probably my favorite right now. I love it. And it's like a green lip with a gold like color in the middle. It's amazing. I feel like this one definitely embodies the whole python thing going on. So cool. I feel like Maybelline really does kill it with all their lip products. They feel so creamy. Can we talk about how they smell amazing as well? Like, it's the best. I also wanted to mention these go for $9.99 on the Maybelline website, just so you guys know. I think that's pretty legitimate considering you're getting a lipstick and you're also getting an eyeshadow inside. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakery Lip Whip Removers, and this is what I used in my last video to remove the Superstay Matte Ink. This is one of the only products that I use to remove lipsticks that just work so amazing. So you get these little pads inside and they're soaked in remover. I'm just going to run them over the lipstick that I have on first to remove this off. Because I really want this color to be super opaque, I'm going to go over my lips with some concealer because I have super pigmented red lips. They're really dark. Alright, so with the lip pythons, you can use your fingertips to apply them, but if you want more precise application, I would recommend using a lip brush. I am going to be using 2 brushes today to apply, and these are both from Delium Tools. We have the square tip, and we also have the smoky eyeliner, but I like it because it's round. It's really easy to apply. So I'll show you guys how these apply on the lips. All I'm gonna do is really just kind of get this brush coated in that green lipstick. And I'm just going to brush it on. And these are so creamy. They're really easy to kind of glide on. Now I'm going to take the square tip brush and I'm just going to dip it in. And these are pigmented, really pigmented. Alright, so we have that color on. Now you can take your fingertip and dip into this beautiful gold. And what I like to do with this is you could go over the whole lip or you could just go on the center. And you just press it right in the center. So as you guys can see, the pigmentation is on point, and these colors are really pretty. I can't wait to swatch all of them with you guys, but I love this one called Snakebite. I really like them, and they're definitely for me. I love them. I know these might not be everyone's cup of tea just because they're really bright and out there, but I personally really love them and they work great for me. And the way they feel is really soft and creamy on the lips, just like a traditional lipstick, just in a palette. And it's kind of cool because you can get creative with it because there is a metallic shadow in there. You can go all over the lip with it, or you can just dab it in the center, whatever you want to do, and you can get super creative. So I love this idea. It's so cool. And this one's a pretty awesome like green color. It kind of looks a little bit more lime in the center, which I really like. So if you guys want to see all the swatches, be sure that you like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload, and let's get into these swatches right now.